I'm even being extra safe with my helmet.
We're taking to the streets to see if we can find Bob Tiffin in Red Bay, Alabama.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see if he's been in today or they know where he's at.
Okay.
So they haven't seen him.
Ever?
You know, it's weird. I said, how often do you see him at the Piggly Wiggly? And he said, never. I'm like, doesn't everybody shop here at the Piggly Wiggly? So do you think he's at Jack's, maybe eating lunch? Oh, got your little snack, huh?
Well, I was waiting because they said Bob might come in for lunch because he's not here yet. But anyway, while I waited, I got a surprise.
Oh, well, good thinking.
He might be here later. Have
all right, good thinking.
Cheers.
Maybe the Dollar General Market. Everybody goes to Dollar General Market.
It looks like they're having a sale today too, so.
We're going to the Dollar General Market.
What in the world? I think he got himself a little treat. Ice cream. Of course.
Hey, they got Haagen-Dazs.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Have they seen Bob Tiffin?
Oh, phew. He's not here. Okay, in all seriousness, if you're in Red Bay, Alabama to get any kind of work done on your Tiffin, or just if you're in Red Bay, Alabama, there's this cupcake store for the love of cupcakes. It's delicious. She makes all things cupcakes with frosting higher than the actual cupcake. So just down the road from the service center, which is right down there on the corner. My ride friend. Anyway, so while you're sitting over there at the service center, come over here and get a cupcake or some fresh banana bread or fresh lemon loaf. She's got it all. Keep in mind, she's open Monday through Friday, 10 to 4. So like most of Red Bay, you're not getting much done on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, forget about it. You're getting nothing done on Sundays. Everything's closed. The churches are open and the grocery stores are open. But otherwise, you better get it done Monday through Friday. So right downtown in the heart of the city is one of the Tiffin service lounges. They have Wi-Fi, and right next door, you can get your pets in too to sit while you wait for service to be done on your RV. So there's the pet service lounge and the people service lounge. They've got some t-shirts in there, Wi-Fi, complimentary coffee. All this lovely outdoor seating. Red Bay has quite a history.
He's not in there, but they are having a pretty cool baby shower in there. It's pretty nice. Ladies were very nice.
Where's Bob Tiffin?
Bob?
I don't really see Bob. He kind of just goes in and out as he pleases.
Where does he hide? Does he stay in town here anywhere?
He used to.
We've been searching for him all day.
We can't find him.
He's not even at the all ladies bridal shower up at the Bay.
Or the Sassy Scissors.
Not at Sassy
Seen him up
Scissors, no.
If you ever see him there, you might be scared.
Yeah, are you guys holding tours right now?
Unfortunately, not right now. Maybe sometime in the near future.
COVID's got it all shut down, I guess, still.
Sadly.
Yeah.
We'll get it next time. Oh man, will he come sign my old 2018 cabinet door? Oh man, we gotta call Bob. So,
You gotta take it off and bring it here.
all this writing, we could have just called Bob.
Yeah. You just could've called Bob.
Oh well, we need the exercise. The person's tag said, "There goes the college fund."
Guys are looking good. Keep it up, keep it up.
You notice we're not pedaling. got to come to Red Bay Acres. The yacht club, you're not eating on Monday nights over here, or Tuesday or Wednesday. You only have evenings, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You come to Red Bay and you want a fancy place to stay? Come to Red Bay Acres.